Cooking Crush with Roxanne, and this is how to wash dishes by hand, the long version. I didn't actually go through enough dialogue or information for you to understand completely what the concept was I was getting at. Well, let's talk. It's right here, way hot water. The first thing you always want to do is put your silverware in the hot water first. Silverware first, followed by plate. There we go. Makes that lovely smashing sound. Now, let's talk soap. I just use your standard issue. Pop the lid off. Soap. Anything you could get at say Safeway or Walmart. I put quite a bit in there. You know why? Cuts through the grease. Just like that Dawn commercial, I think it is. I mean that dishwashing liquid commercial. I don't want to get in trouble. I'm never sure. Now what I'm going to do at this point, oh man, that's nice. Get that going on over there and start the rinse water. Notice I don't use the full sink. I just use this small, it's kind of a camping container, and I use it for washing dishes. Now look over here. Dry towel. Okay, now, most important part, washy. Alright, I don't know where I'm going to stick you at. Oh, there we go. That works perfectly. And I always get clean wash rag to start. Actually, that doesn't look that clean, sorry. Clean wash rag to start. See? Washing the plate. And then rinsing them. Now the hot water in here is a little too hot. And as I said before, it's probably best if you wear some gloves. That's what these babies are for. Okay? Especially if you're going to do this more than once. Literally. The detergent will make your skin extremely dry and chafed. So now as I'm washing through here, starting with the plates, allowing them to rinse out, getting everything all clean. Here it is. Just gonna dry those aroma towels. I don't have a drainer. If I did, I'd use it. But I always dry the dishes about 10 minutes after they've been washed. Now, nothing's important. I leave the last part of the wash for the big items, like Mr. Spaghetti Pot. You want to be able to have the more, the plates and the silverware. The silverware comes last. Plates come first. Silverware soaking the whole time because stuff gets stuck on silverware. And I do the glasses, and I save the larger pans like this for last. Because a lot of times I've made like tomatoey sauces and things, and I don't want that to get on the dishes that are coming, like say for instance the glasses. I don't want that kind of greasy tomatoey stuff on those glasses. That's why I always make sure wash the actual pots and pans last, and sometimes even make another sink of water on. Lord, and another thing about it, make it as hot as you can possibly tolerate. This is too hot for me, and that's good. That's how you dry the dishes. They dry faster if it's extraordinarily hot. Thank you so much. This is Cooking Fresh with Roxanne. How to wash dishes by hand without a dishwasher. The full version. Don't forget the gloves. Don't forget the soap. Don't forget the hot water. Okay? And don't forget your drying surface. Your drying towels. Look at that. All that. Cooking Fresh with Roxanne. Have a blessed day. And thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for being subscribers. I can't tell you how wonderful it is to share the thoughts and ideas. And please do comment. I love feedback. Thank you again. Cooking Fresh with Roxanne. Bye-bye.